Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Champion Academy. Do like, share, and subscribe. Share with your friends. Okay. Is the audio video is clear? Hello everyone, welcome to Math Champion Academy. Share with your friends. Okay. Try to comment. Okay. In this, I am going to explain 10th class chapter 1 revision. Okay. That is the real numbers. Is the audio is clear? Share with your friends. Do subscribe, okay? I hope the screen is clearly visible. Okay. Chapter 1 la important questions. We have to prove that if any number given, we have to prove that irrational numbers. Okay. Irrational numbers prove as a question. It is important, very important. For example, in this root 2, we have to prove that it is a irrational number. Okay. root 2 we have to prove it is a irrational number. Again they will ask root 3 also irrational number. Okay, and root 5 also, root 7. సో ఈ టాపిక్లో మనం ఎనీ నెంబర్ ఇవే కాకుండా వేరే నెంబర్స్ కూడా ఇచ్చినప్పుడు అవి ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్ అని ఎలా ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి, హౌ టు ప్రూవ్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్. ఓకే, డూ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. ఓకే, షేర్ విత్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. I hope the audio and video it is very clear only. Okay, now screen is visible. Before that we should know that దీనికంటే ముందు రియల్ నెంబర్స్లో మనకు న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి. న్యాచురల్ numbers we can also say that these are counting numbers. Okay, counting numbers, natural numbers denoted with the letter n. Okay, natural numbers are denoted with the letter n. Okay, that is it will start from the 1 2 3 and likewise. Then next number is the whole numbers denoted with the w. Whole numbers start with the 0 1 2 3 and a dash, it is continue. Then after whole numbers there are integers are denoted with the letter I or z. Okay, so integers are negative number, -3 -2 -1 and 0 is there, 1 2 and continue. So these are the negative numbers, these are the positive. Okay, then 0 is there. Okay, 0, this one we call as a integers. Okay, here important point, bits lo adagachu. 0 is neither positive, 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, 0 is neither positive nor negative. అంటే 0 అనేది పాజిటివ్ కాదు, నెగిటివ్ కాదు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ after integer that will come next number is a rational number. Rational numbers are nothing but if you are writing any number in p by q form, q should not equal to 0. అంటే మనం ఏదైనా ఒక నెంబర్ని p by q ఫామ్లో రాస్తే దాన్ని రేషనల్ నెంబర్ అంటాం. ఓకే, if you are writing any number in p by q form and q should not be equal to 0, so these are number we call as a rational number. For example, 1 by 2 it is a rational number, 3 by 5 it is -3 by 5, it is also a rational numbers. Okay, 6 by 8, 0 by 5, 0 by 5 also it is a rational number. 0 by 5 is nothing but 0 only, so 0 also a rational number only. Okay, next these are the rational numbers are denoted with the letter q. Okay, rational numbers are denoted with the letter q, capital letter. Rational numbers are denoted with the letter Q, that is a capital. Next number series is irrational number. Irrational numbers. We can simply say the number which are not able to write in P by Q form. The number which are not able to write in P by Q form. Okay, the number which are not able to write in P by Q form, we call those as a irrational numbers. Okay, means irrational numbers means here, for example, 0.1236843, likewise it is continue, there is no repeated number. Okay, in rational number there are two types there. In rational numbers, if we see here, rational numbers లో టూ టైప్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ టర్మినేటింగ్ నంబర్. ఓకే, రేషనల్ ఫస్ట్ ఈజ్ టర్మినేటింగ్ నంబర్ మీన్స్ ఏదో ఒక ప్లేస్లో నంబర్ సిరీస్ అనేది ఎండ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 3.6 and 0.25, 0.16, 0.37814. Here after 4 there is no number, so it will stop here only. 1/2. 1/2, what is the value 1/2? It is a 0.5. 1/2, it is a rational number, we can write that 0.5, so it is a terminating number. So it is a decimal form is 1/2 decimal form, that is 0.5. It is a terminating number, means after 5 there is no numbers. We can write 1/5 also. What is the 1/5 value? It is a 0.2, means it is also terminating number. If you write 1/4, what is the value? 0.25. These are terminating numbers. Okay, these are terminating numbers. Okay, hello everyone, do like, share and subscribe. Okay, no, next number is non-terminating irrational number. Non-terminating rational numbers. Okay, we are discussing about rational numbers. Non-terminating recurring numbers. The name itself is recurring. Recurring is nothing but it is a repeating. After some decimal the number will repeat. Okay, for example 0.333, it will repeat. So 1/3. If we do this one 1/3 decimal form is 0.333. It is continue. 1 by 9. Okay, 1 by 9 is 0.111. It will continue. So likewise, these are the non-terminating recurring numbers. రేషనల్ నెంబర్లో 2 టైప్స్ ఉంటాయి. దట్ ఈస్ టర్మినేటింగ్ రేషనల్ నంబర్స్ అండ్ నాన్ టర్మినేటింగ్ రికరింగ్ నంబర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. అండ్ ఇర్రేషనల్ నంబర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ irrational numbers. First one, we cannot write in p by q form. Non-terminating irrational numbers. Non-terminating irrational numbers. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం దీన్ని పీ బై క్యూ ఫామ్లో రాయలేము. 3.684321689 అంటే ఏదైనా వాల్యూ ఇట్ విల్ బి రిపీట్. ఓకే, ఇట్ మే బి ఎనీ వాల్యూ విల్ కమ్. ఓకే, దెర్ ఇస్ నో స్పెసిఫిక్ నంబర్ ఇస్ దేర్. any value will be repeat. Okay, 6.31243963. likewise any number it will be repeat, means there is no terminating number. Okay, so that's why we cannot write in p by q form. For example, pi value is there. Pi value 3.1415 and continue is there. Pi value also irrational number. They will ask a question, bits. They will ask which of the following is rational number. Which of the following is rational number? They will give like 1 by 2, pi, so likewise. So which is the rational number? A option. So we have to take A option. They will give any option. Irrational number means that is a pi. Pi is a irrational number. Okay, do like, share and subscribe if the information is going to help you. Okay, share with your friends. Here important question. So for example, you take 0.333. it is we are write in p by q form. This 0.333 we have to write in p by q form. So here only one number is repeating, that is periodicity for this number is, let's take x is equal to 0.3333 and it is continue. Periodicity, what is the periodicity is here? Only one number repeating, that is 3, so that is a 1. If the periodicity is 1, we have to multiply this x value both side this equation with the 10, with 10. So now take 10x is equal to, if we multiply this 10 it will become 3.3333 likewise. Now what is the x value? That is x is equal to 0.3333 and it is continue. If we do subtraction here, change symbol, 10 minus x, 10x minus x, how much? It is the 9x is equal to, this decimal all are zeros only, so that is 3. 3 minus 0, 3 only. So x value is equal to 3 by 9. This simplest form is 1 by 3. So I hope it is understand. Okay, do like, share and subscribe. This is also important. Okay. This one understand? If you comment, I will let me know. If your understanding means let me know. Okay. Now we will take one more problem. Write in P by Q form. P by Q form. For a number 0.316 bar is there. Okay, I'm taking the bar. This is non-terminating repeating number. Okay, bar is on 3 numbers, 3 digit is there. Bar is on 3 digit. Okay, bar is on 3 digit means what we will do? What is the periodicity? What is the periodicity? Periodicity is 3. If periodicity is 3 means we have to multiply with 1000. If periodicity 2 means we have to multiply with 100. If periodicity is 3 means you have to multiply with the 1000. If periodicity is 1 means you have to multiply with the 10. So this is depend on the periodicity we have to take. Okay. Now look at here. For the given number periodicity is 3. Let's assume, let's take, okay, take x is equal to 0.316. Now we have to multiply with the both side this number with 1000. X is equal to 316.316316. Then x is equal to 0.316316. It is continue. Okay. Now do the minus here, subtraction do. Here minus, here also minus. 1000x minus x, that is 999x. Then how much you are getting? This is completely zero. After decimal, these are all zeros. So 316 minus 0, that is 316. Okay. Now x is equal to 316 by 999. So this is our answer. I hope you are understanding. Do like, share and subscribe. Okay. These are also important. They will ask sometime in bits for 2 marks. Sometimes they will also ask 4 marks also, like long questions. No. Next. For irrational number, can we write in P by Q form? For irrational number, we cannot write in P by Q form. Okay. Next one more important problem. They will give convert in decimal form. Convert this rational number into decimal form. For example, 1 by 2. To convert this, we can do various method. If we multiply here with numerator and denominator with the 5, we are getting it is 5 by 10. 5 by 10 means we simply write this number as 0.5. Now second number you take 3 by 25. 3 by 25. If the here 25 is there, this 25 we can make in 200. Multiply with the 4 below, above also 4. So it will become 3 4s are 12 by 25 4s it is 100. So this one we can write as, after first write here 12. At denominator how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Means at denominator 2 zeros means you have to write after 2 digit your decimal 1 2. It is 0.12. I hope these are understanding. Okay. Now take here third one. For example, 15 by 125. To convert this decimal form, we have to find the equivalent fraction, equivalent rational numbers. To find equivalent fractions, we have to make this denominator into either 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000, which is possible. So we have to look at that. We have to check that. Can I multiply this here 10, 100, 1000, 10,000? Which number we have to multiply to make denominator any one of these? So I can make this 125 like 1000. So to make 1000, which number we have to multiply with? We have to multiply with the 4. So here also 4. So multiply numerator and denominator with the 4. So what you will get? Here you will get 125 4 it is 1000. 15 4 60. So it is 60 by 1000. So this decimal form we can write. First write here this 0 get cancelled. 6 by 100 means after 2 digit. First write here 0.0 means 0.06 is our answer. Next, so these are there. They will ask 1 by 7 write in decimal form. 1 by 7 write in decimal form. So here 7 is a prime number. We cannot convert this prime number into 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. It is not possible to convert any one of this form. So we have to do the division method. 1 right here, 7 here. Above value is numerator, below value is denominator. Numerator we have to write as middle, that as a dividend. And 7 we have to write left hand side, that is a denominator, that is divisor. If we take here 1 is smaller than 7. So to solve this you have to take 0 here, here 1 0. It is decimal. Now 7 1s are 7. 10 by 7. Here 10 minus 7 is 3 you are getting. Okay. Next, already decimal is there. You can take here 1 0 after one step. Again 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So 7 4s are you have to take 28. Here 30 minus 28, how much? It is a 2. Now decimal already there, you take 1 0 here. 7 2s are 14. This 20 minus 6, how much you are getting? 20 minus 14, how much you are getting? 16. So in next step, you can also take here 0. 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56. 7 8 here, that is a 56. Now if you do here 60 minus 56, you are getting the 4. Now again take 0. 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35. 40 minus 35. How much you're getting? 5. Next, take here one more 0. So next 7 7 ja 49. If you do 50 minus 49, you are getting the 1. Try to comment, okay? Try to comment. Share with your friends. Again, look at here, 1 only there, same number is repeating. So from here, after this, all are repeating. If you do division also, you will get same digits. Means 0. If you do continue here, what you will get? 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857, and it is repeated again 142857. It is a continue, means here you can take it is a bar. In bits sometimes they will ask what is the periodicity, what is the periodicity of 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 3. Okay, they will ask. Periodicity of 1 by 7, how much here? How many numbers are repeating? How many digits? 6. So that is a 6. While solving, if this asking means you write there also. Next is we have to prove that root 2 is irrational number. It is also very very important. They will ask anyone root 2, root 5, root 7, any value. Sometimes they will give root 2 plus root 3. Prove that it is a irrational number. Now look at root 2. I will explain here. First question, for root 2, let assume root 2 is rational number. Let us assume root 2 is a rational number. Okay, first we have to assume it is a rational number. Rational number we can write in a by b. Yes or no? So by this we can write root 2 is equal to a by b. Here a, b are co-prime. A, B are co-prime. What is mean by co-prime? We should know that. For co-prime means nothing but HCF. HCF of A and B is 1. That is the meaning of co-prime. So we are first assuming root 2 as a rational number. Okay. So we can write that root 2 is equal to a by b. So look at next. Root 2 is equal to a by b. Do square on the square on both side. Second step we have to do the square on both side. No. After now next we have to do square on the both side. Okay. Both side if we do square, what we are getting? Square root cancel this one. Okay. Square root get cancelled. So 2 is equal to a square by b square. Next we can write this one. 2b square is equal to a square. సో మనకు ఒక థీరం ఉంటుంది. వి నో వన్ థీరం దట్ ఈస్ ఇఫ్ p divides a square, then same p divides a also. Okay, this is the theorem. Here p is a prime number. It is a prime number. Here by this theorem we can say that a square divides by 2. A square divides by 2. In the same way a also no, this a also divides by 2. Means a square is divides by 2, then a also divides by 2. It is by theorem. This theorem is there. Okay, important theorem it is. Okay, by this theorem we can say that. So in next what we have to write means, if we take a is equal to 2c, okay, substitute this value in this equation. If you take this is one value, substitute a is equal to 2c in equation 1. Okay, if we substitute, what we are getting? 2b square is equal to a square is a square means you have to do 2c square. Now look at here. If we take here 2b square is equal to 4c square. This square 2 ones are 2 2s are. So b square is left there, 2c square. No, if we by the using the same theorem we can say that b square divides by 2. In the same way b also divides by 2. It is the by theorem. Okay, this theorem is explained here. Next, so here if we by above information, here b is dividing by 2, here a is dividing by 2, here a is dividing by 2. So here a and b has common factor is 2 from this. So a and b has common factor 2 means it is false, it is wrong. Why? We know already here a and b are the I told here A and B are the co-prime. What is the HCF here? 1 only. So, but here what is the, we are getting 2. So, it is a false. It is false statement. So, contradiction is rise. Contradict is rise. So, we can say root 2 is a irrational number. Means our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. So, root 2 is a irrational number. Okay. I hope this is understand. Okay. Next, if you want to prove root 3, wait for a minute. Prove that prove that root 3 is irrational number. Root 3 is a irrational number. If we do, let assume root 3 is rational number. Okay, root 3 is rational number. Okay, next, first root 3 is equal to a by b. Here a comma b are co-prime. A comma b are co-prime. For co-prime, HCF is 1. Okay. Next, if we do square on the both side, root 3 whole square is equal to a by b whole square. So it is do square on both side. What you are getting? It is 3 a square by b square. We can write this one 3 b square is equal to a square. In this here, a square is divides by 3. In the same way, a also divides by 3. It is by theorem. We already know. Okay. We know theorem, that is. Okay. No. Next, if we take a is equal to 3c, substitute this value in this equation. Okay. So what you are getting? 3b square is equal to 3c square. Here c is an integer. C you can take as an integer. If you do this one, what you are getting? 3b square is equal to 9c square. If we solve here, what you are getting? 3 1s are 3 3s are. So we are getting b square is equal to 3c square. In the same way, here b square divides by 3. And same, if b square divides by 3 means b also divides by 3. B also divides by 3. So here, from here, look at here. A is divides by 3. B also divides by 3. So A and B are having common factor, that is 3, which is wrong. Here A and B co-prime. Co-prime means what is the HCF? Having only one. HCF is a common factor 1, but we are getting 3, which is wrong. So our contradict is rise. Contradict is rise. So our assumption is wrong. So we can say that root 3 is irrational. It is irrational number. Okay. I hope you people are understanding. Try to do like, share, and subscribe. Okay, if you want regular classes, do like. More like means we will get more views. If we are getting means we will try to make more classes. Okay, regular. Okay, if you want any doubt, we can do that also. Okay, thank you for watching.